Scope boxes and how they are used to crop Revit views can end up messing up your Revit model with unused scope boxes or some of them cropping the wrong view. In this video, we are going to show you 3 keys to work with scope boxes in Revit effectively. The first one is how to detect unused scope boxes. The second one, which scope box is cropping which view. And the third one, how to delete them straight away no matter in which view you are. So let's jump into Revit. In this project, I've created 4 scope boxes for different rooms in the floor plan. Usually this is helpful for creating focus on views like this one that are cropped by a scope box. So for example, in this view, we can define the scope box right here. And if we switch it, we can see that the cropping view changes as well. Basically, we can end up with projects that have a large number of rooms as well as different levels, and then we need to create a lot of scope boxes for each case, and they may end up not being used, duplicated, or wrongly assigned to the wrong view. So how we can work with them effectively, we can come into NonicaTab Pro and then click on delete scope boxes used or not. So here we basically have a list of all the scope boxes in the model. So we can first see the name of the scope box and then if it's used, in which view it's used. So we can see that the first one is properly assigned. The name of the scope box is the same as the name of the view. But in the last case, for example, we see that the name of the scope box is not the same as the name of the view. Therefore, we could just came into, well, the specific view and then switch the scope box here for the scope box studio unit. Yeah. And once we have done that, we have detected that the scope box was not properly assigned. We can see that now, has changed here as well. We can also see that there are 2 scope boxes that are not used. Usually with the default tool by Revit, you need to actually go to a view in which you have that scope box selected and delete them. But in here, you can delete them straight away, no matter in which view you are. You can just select them here or use this to select all of them at once. And then click to delete and they will be deleted straight away. So as you can see, this is a quite helpful tool when you have like a large number of scope boxes, or even if you have a small number as well, because it helps you manage and keep track of the scope boxes and if they are properly assigned. So this tool is available in NonicaTab Pro. Feel free to check it out. It's free to try for 30 days. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.